let's reflect on this week's Sunday service teaching from Dr. Simone Alicia. We're about to dive into a simple yet really profound principle that can totally shift the outcomes in your life. And it all comes down to one crucial thing: timing.
So here's the core idea. You could be doing something absolutely positive, something with the best intentions, but if the timing is off, it can actually lead to a negative result. See, it's not just about what you do. It's about the energetic moment you choose to do it in.
So, okay, how does this actually play out in real life? Well, let's take a look at a really powerful example from the teaching, and it's something we all do, reflecting on our own weaknesses.
Now, what's so fascinating here is how the exact same action can create two totally different realities. On one side, when you're feeling strong and empowered, analyzing your weaknesses is the right time to do it, right? You can use that awareness to set new intentions and actually grow. But if you do that very same thing when you're feeling low, when your self-image isn't great, that's the wrong time. All you're really doing then is gathering evidence for that story of insecurity. And that, of course, just creates more pain.
This all leads to a really important question, doesn't it? If timing is so critical, what's guiding it? What's our internal compass here? How do we know when it's the right moment to act?
Well, the answer lies in our internal state. The teaching from Dr. Simone is so clear on this. The ultimate thing that determines the right time is whether we are acting from a place of fear or from a place of faith.
And this just lays it all out so perfectly. Actions that come from fear, that feeling of lack or pressure or anxiety, they're almost always misaligned. It's like you're fighting against the current, and you end up with those results you really didn't want. But actions that you take from faith, from that place of inner knowing and trust, those are aligned. They just flow, and they create powerful desired results because you're tapped in, you're in sync with your own power.
So the real key here is learning how to recognize and then choose your moment of power. Let's break this down into a super simple practice you can use anytime.
Before you act, especially on something that feels important, just take a second for this mindful check-in. First, just pause. Connect with yourself. Then, ask this simple but incredibly powerful question. Does this moment, right now, support my power? And finally, let your choice flow from that place of inner awareness.
Because ultimately, this is what it all comes down to. You have the ability to feel the difference. So choose the moments that support your power, not the ones that support your pain.